I started in solar in like late 2002, early 2003. It was a segue from sustainable building to energy.
I have a whole lifetime of experience in renewable energy. So I grew up off-grid up in Washington State, putting together solar electric systems in my mid-teens and doing training and so on. And after doing a couple years of college, I came out to Tucson and started working in the solar industry in 2003.
The first system that I installed, I was like, okay, here we go. I think it's where it's at. Like, and I see this just as something that I feel like I can really make a difference in the world, but also something I was super interested in and that I felt had like growth potential.
It's really about the mission that we have to bring more clean energy solutions and technologies to people's homes, to share our knowledge, to continually learn, and also to create that culture for all of our employees at Net Zero Solar.
Chad and Lewis live and breathe solar. So these guys are very knowledgeable. They know exactly what they're doing.
You can tell that they're really passionate about it, and they explain it in a way that, you know, even I could understand coming into it super green, not knowing anything.
They're researching and finding out like the best equipment possible. You know, like when we're doing these installs, we want to put out the best work we can.
I've always wanted to work for Net Zero Solar. I always knew about their values and their culture, not just as people, but as business owners also.
When I talk to customers or potential customers about like, hey, what makes Net Zero kind of stand out? I can honestly look them in the eyes and tell them the people that are going to be on your house installing this stuff are just as invested as I am in this.
If I ever have questions about why we do things in a certain way because I can't understand it, I'll go talk to him or Lewis, and they give me the most specific, like, and it's very easy to understand answer.
I'm completely confident that like when we get to the site, everything's prepared for us. Like we're so organized. We have planning meetings. We go over the jobs weeks, months ahead of time. So it's like when I'm on site, I know that I'm set up for success.
That is the best feeling, to know that we've created something that works for our employees, that brings them satisfaction at the end of the day, that they've built this solar electric system that's going to be really meeting the needs of our clients and it's going to be helping out our community.
One word to describe Net Zero Solar: family.
Honest.
Camaraderie is a big thing here. We've all grown together.
That relationship building with our teammates really carries over into the relationships that we build with our clients.